I did it again. I bought another bag from Hermes. If you watch my channel, you may know I showed you a bag 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately, that bag did not work out for me. I have an update on what happened with that bag, and I will show you what I got instead. Hey there, this is Alula West Lux. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I make a lot of videos on how to make smarter luxury shopping decisions based on my own personal experiences. If you like that sort of content, I hope you will subscribe and follow along for future videos. And as always, if you like this video, I hope you will give it a thumbs up. Just last week, I got together with a good friend of mine, Meghan. You can also find her here on YouTube. Her channel is Train Girl Meghan. We got together for a really lovely girls' day. We ate some food, we did some shopping. It was just the perfect day. It was just the break I needed. Life has been pretty busy lately, so we had a great time together. Meghan's also uploading a video to show you what she bought from Hermes, and honestly, I cannot believe that I got what's in this bag and she got what she purchased the same day in the same appointment. So you have to go check out her channel to see what she purchased. So let me give you a little update before we dive into this bag. I got the Herbag 20 and I posted a video about that bag 2 weeks ago saying why you should not buy the Herbag 20 because it did not work out at all. There were quite a few deal breakers with that bag. So I did decide to rehome it. I didn't return the bag. I wasn't comfortable returning the bag. I did have it for a few weeks. I did try out the bag and I did try to see if I could make it work for me, but it felt like I was just trying to put a square peg in a round hole. So eventually, I did decide I would sell the bag. So I had the bag for a few weeks. I filmed a video on it. And then after I posted that video, I finalized plans with a buyer who agreed to purchase the bag, covering the retail costs, the taxes, the shipping. So I broke even on that bag, which is really the best I was hoping for. I did not lose any money on it. So after that bag sold and everything was said and done, I had plans to meet up with my friend Meghan, and we had a really lovely day together. We met up, we got some coffee, chatted, caught up on life. Then we had an appointment at Hermes, so we did a little shopping, and we were there for quite a while in the morning. We did pick up a few items each, so that took a little bit of time, and then when we were all done, we had a really lovely lunch together at a local restaurant near the store. Let's dive in and see what I bought. Fortunately, I know that this bag is not a mistake because I did get to see it in store. The Herbag I ordered online, so when I got it, it was a little bit of a disappointment. But fortunately, this bag I tried on in store. I know that I love it. So this is the bag I ended up getting. I also picked up 2 other smaller items in these boxes, and they gave us each a couple items. We did get some makeup and fragrance samples, and we did get a magazine. Let me show you really quickly what else I picked up in store before we get into the bag. So we have the really nice ribbon on these. And in this box, we have, which one is this? Oh, okay. This is the scarf ring. This is the Moore's scarf ring. So I wanted a couple scarf rings just because I'm not great with tying scarves and I find it to be a lot easier to have something else to work with. I like the scarf ring because it adds a little bit of weight to it and it just adds a nice visual detail. The second item I got is in this little box. Again, the same ribbon. And this is, surprise, surprise, another scarf ring. This is, I think this is the Shandong scarf ring. Oh, and actually that is the ring I'm wearing today. So we have the matching ring. So these are the two other items. I got the two scarf rings. Now we have the bag. This is, of course, it's not a quota bag. But if you have any guesses based on the shape of the bag, let me know if you're that good. I am not that good. I cannot know or guess what bag is inside a box based on the shape of it with Hermes boxes. I cannot do that, but I know a lot of people can. So I really admire that skill. But let's dig in now. Da-da-da, here we go. And let me remove a little bit of the stuffing. You may have gotten a peek of it. We got the Picotin in the size 18. And this is in the color gold. This is Clemence leather. And we do have palladium hardware. So let's take out all the stuffing and take a look at it. So here we go. I'm going to take out the lock and key. So here it is. I was so excited to get this bag, and I knew this bag was going to work out for me because I had already tried this style bag. This is called the Josette. This is from the brand Dress Up Your Purse. So I got this bag last year sometime. I've had this for several months. It is the same size and shape as the Picotin 18. So I got this to try out the style. I wasn't sure if it would work for me or not, and to my absolute surprise, it worked out better than I thought it would. It's just such an easy bag to use. I really loved it. So I knew that I really wanted the Picotin 18. I knew this bag would work out for me. So when Meghan and I were in Hermes, I did ask the sales associate if they had any Picotin 18s in store. I was shocked when she offered it to me in this color gold. It's one of their most classic neutrals. The one color I did not want was a taupe, because that's basically the color of this bag. So I was glad that the neutral they had was gold. Let's take out the key and the lock. I think that's enough blabbing. I really like palladium with gold because it has the contrast stitching on the leather. The palladium really draws out and it highlights that contrast stitching. So I like it. I think it works well together. And then, of course, we have the inside of the leather here on the interior of the bag. And the bottom is stamped Hermes, made in France. I'm not going to film a full review or what fits in this video, but I think I will do that in a future video. Maybe I'll do a short on what fits and how I'm planning on filling and using this bag. I can also do a comparison to the Josette if anyone is interested. I don't know if there's any interest, but if you are, leave a comment below and I can certainly do a video or even just a short comparing those two bags. So this is what I have, and I am just so happy to have been offered this bag, and this is my new bag from Hermes. As I said earlier, this was purchased when I was out shopping with my friend Meghan. So I will have her video linked in the video description box below so you can go watch it next. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.